Hi everyone, I'm Michelina and I teach Art Fundamentals at Visual Arts Brampton. In today's lesson, you will make a cardboard animal sculpture. By making the sculpture, you will learn about the importance of design when constructing a 3D freestanding form. The animal I've chosen to make is a piglet. Let's get started. First, grab your supplies. You will need a sketchbook or a loose piece of paper, a HB pencil, an eraser, scissors, and a ruler. You'll need a piece of cardboard and something to draw circles with. Also, a Sharpie and glue. Those two are optional. Using your pencil, draw out the basic shape of a piglet's side view onto your paper. Do not include any limbs or large features, but do draw the shape of the snout, the head, body, and tail. This is your base shape. Now mark on the base shape where the head and body pieces will go. Using your ruler, draw a straight line from this mark all the way down to the bottom of your base. Also mark where your legs are going to go. Now, again, with your ruler, measure the lines that you've drawn. And then you're going to create 3 circles whose diameter equals these lines. So for example, this line is about 45 millimeters. So the diameter of my circle is going to be 45 millimeters. You can use a compass to draw your circles. I have this handy template that I'm going to use. I've done my measurements ahead of time, so that's how I know how big the circles are to be. So I have 2 circles for the body and 1 for the head. Now I'm going to add ears to my head. Now I'm going to draw a shape for the legs. And because I have 2 sets of legs, I'm going to draw the shape again. Now it's time to cut out your shapes. You're going to be using them as templates for your cardboard. So with your scissors, carefully cut out your paper templates. Okay, I've cut out all my templates and I've laid them on my piece of cardboard. Now with my pencil, I'm going to carefully outline my templates on the cardboard. Okay, I've got my templates drawn on the cardboard, but I'm on my base shape. I'm going to mark where the pieces for the head and the body and the legs will go. And I'm going to use this to help guide me. So I'm going to put it on top and just slide it down and make little marks here for the top, and then for the legs, match it up at the bottom, slide it up, and make some marks here. So now I know where all my parts are going to go. Now it's time to start cutting these with your scissors. I find it's easier to cut out around each shape, like so. Do that first. And then cut around it. Cut as slowly and carefully as you can. Okay, as you can see, I've cut out my shapes, and what I've added are these slits. And there's a corresponding slit in the base shape. And that's how the pieces are going to fit together. So for the body parts, cut a slit from about the middle of the circle all the way down. And notice how wide it is. Don't make it too wide or else it'll wobble. Okay, so you can experiment with the width. Start thin and work your way to a thicker thickness, whichever works best for you. Now the length of this slit will be equal to the length of this slit in your base shape. And you will do that for the two body parts, the head, and the two legs. Now you're ready to put it all together. So taking your base shape and your cutout shapes, you slide them in like so. And then the legs. And there you have your animal sculpture. If you like, you can use some glue to secure the pieces. And you can also use a Sharpie to add some details, like eyes, for example. Great, you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.